lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, long time no see. And this is one of my favorite wigs, and I'm so happy to be reviewing this today. This is Sloane by Tony of Beverly, and this color is Sangria. I love Sloane. And my husband loves Sloane too. When we were getting ready to get officially married, because that's a thing now, I pulled out some hair. I wanted him to choose the hair, basically, because I like a lot of different wigs, and I just wanted to be like his dream girl. So I was like, pick what you like. He does not like blondes. I want to throw that out there. That's very important. So I laid out all these different wigs. One was like a really beautiful dark wig. One was like Alexis from John Renault in 1B because he loves that dark color on me. I also pulled like a really expensive human hair wig, and then I pulled this, which is the Maui Gold Sloane that I used for some pictures that I just kind of fell in love with and then ended up having to keep. And so I'm going to put this one on while I talk about the rest of the story so you can see what she looks like. This is the one that I wore when Nigel and I actually got married. This is the exact wig, and I'm just combing it a little bit so you can get the full effect. The one that's in Sangria that I'm going to show you in the moment has not been unboxed, so it's brand new, but this will at least give you an idea of what one looks like after it's been combed out, because this one belongs to me. It is mine. But long story short, I know too late, Nigel picked this one, and he doesn't even like blondes. It's just this one looked really nice on me, and the wig itself is just really, really beautiful. You can see how I'm kind of treating the bottoms like their own little thing. You don't want to go all the way down, especially once you start hitting tangles. You got to sort of micromanage the hair a little bit at the ends. But look at this. This is a beautiful head of hair. This is a really luscious, gorgeous, glorious wig. It has a monofilament side part, so it doesn't have like the most deluxe cap construction because you can't really move the part around. But the good thing is that they make the most of that. They style all of the rest of the hair around this part. So this lace front, also gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful, immaculate lace front on this wig. And then the fit is great for me. Look at that on the sides. Great stuff. I love Sloane. I love this wig. I love how the front is styled. It's steamed a little bit up and then down. It's got this gentle, soft little swoopy curl thing in the front. So femme. This is like outrageously femme princess hair. Which is why I had to order a second one because I just fell in love with it so hardcore. So let's take a look at this one in Sangria. Never been opened, so I'm taking the top of the box off. This is what the packaging looks like. So it's got this gold foil, oh, it's upside down top, and then, ooh, that looks luscious, doesn't it? This is the tag there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I love the Sangria color. I think that it's very surprising because you would think that with a name like that it would be a really bright red, and it's not. It's kind of like strawberry syrup from John Renault. Very similar concept, maybe just a little bit more gold than the strawberry syrup. So it's kind of like that fine line in between a strawberry brown and a light brown. Just beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tag off here. It's still attached. Now this Sloane has been worn and washed and loved and married in. And this one has never been worn before. So this is what these look like right out of the box. This wig from the crown down maxes out at 23 inches. And the front here is about 10, so it's right here. This looks pretty wiggy, right? So this is how you combat the wigginess on this Sloane wig. You do what I did earlier. You get a wide tooth comb and you just gently work her out. Now don't do this to the wig unless you know you want to keep her. The saying, you break it, you bought it, comes to mind. So be careful. And see how I kind of got tripped up on a little snag? I just released it and then worked it out. That's what we're doing here. I'm gonna change the part. Same disclaimer from earlier still applies. You always want to part monofilament part wigs right in the center of where that monofilament is. It is going to be your safest bet most of the time. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. You can see what a difference just a little bit of combing made on this wig. And see what I mean? How it's almost like strawberry syrup, except it's a little bit more gold. It's a beautiful color. Oh, I love this color. This is Sloane. Isn't she pretty? And we didn't have to do much to this one at all. I know this is one that Kathleen from our blog really loves too. I mean, it's totally princess hair. There's no other way to describe it, really. I can't stop playing with it. So let me show you again the cap here. This is the Maui gold one that I got Maui'd in. So yes, I stole that from Sex and the City. I even mentioned that the first time I used it. So that's it. I didn't even use that once. I've used it twice. I used it in the wedding video too. Hey, the classics die hard. Anyway, you've got this lace front that's contoured transparent lace, and it has a seamless transition into a relatively scratchy monofilament side part. Just keeping it real, it's a little scratchy. We've got a little bit of permatease on the part of the cap opposite of where the monofilament is, but the hair just falls right over it, so it's not visible as long as you part the hair in the right place. Then you've got plenty of hair on this one. Look at the very small amount of space in between these tracks. Great amount of hair. I mean, this is not a light density wig, just FYI. Then we've got closed felt here on the ear tabs, as well as an extended felt nape with an adjuster, a bit like a bra strap here on both sides. This is a relatively stretchy wig. I think this wig, aside from the scratchy lace, is very comfortable, and those lace features look great. I mean, this is the first time I've worn this one in Sangria, and it's very good. This is a great wig. It fits a bit like a John Renault wig might. So if you like that brand, you're really gonna love Tony of Beverly too, because they're very similar in terms of the quality of the cap construction. This style is very classic and beautiful, and I'll probably end up owning a whole lot more of them at some point, because, there are always these favorites that you gravitate towards, and for me now it's got sentimental value too. So this has been Sloane by Tony of Beverly. It's a beautiful wig, double thumbs up. If I had another thumb, that would be going up too. Let's just say all the thumbs, and my husband likes this one too, so I know Nigel gives his approval. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you for putting up with my schmaltzy story and bad puns. I appreciate it. Bye.